Welcome to our guide on how to introduce your new pet on Facebook. Let's go over the steps together. 1. Begin by launching the Facebook app on your Android device. 2. Tap on the What's on Your Mind section to share your exciting news. 3. Scroll down and select Life Event to mark this special occasion. 4. Choose Family to highlight the bond with your new furry friend. 5. Select New Pet to introduce your beloved companion to your Facebook community. 6. Enter a title for your post, such as your pet's name, and include the date when your new pet became a part of your family. 7. Tap Next at the top right corner to proceed. 8. Utilize the audience selector to determine who you want to share this announcement with, whether it's friends, family, or a specific group of pet lovers. 9. Finally, tap Post at the top right corner to share the news of your new pet with your Facebook connections, inviting them to join in celebrating this new addition to your life. By following these steps, you can share the joy and excitement of welcoming a new pet into your family with your Facebook friends and followers. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in explaining how to post about a new pet on Facebook. Share the happiness and companionship your new pet brings into your life with your online community. Connect with fellow pet enthusiasts and receive well wishes as you embark on this journey with your new furry family member.